Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. The increase in the price of the US dollar in the markets of Baghdad and Erbil, the capital of the Kurdistan region. The rise in the dollar's value is a significant economic event that can have far-reaching implications, not only for Iraq but also for the global financial landscape. In this essay, we will delve into the reasons behind this increase, its potential consequences, and the broader context of currency fluctuations in Iraq. The stage by stating that the prices of the US dollar increased on a particular day, which is Monday. This is a crucial piece of information because currency exchange rates are known to be highly volatile and can change rapidly due to various factors. Knowing the specific day of the increase allows us to pinpoint the context of this change. The increase in the dollar's value was observed in both Baghdad and Erbil, highlighting the national scope of this phenomenon. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq and a major economic hub, while Erbil serves as the capital of the Kurdistan region, which has its own economy. This dual impact implies that the fluctuation in the US dollar's price is not limited to a single region but affects the entire country, making it a matter of national concern. In Al-Kifir and Al-Harithiyya stock exchanges, the exchange rate reached 164,250 Iraqi dinars per 100 US dollars, representing an increase from the previous day's rate of 163,200 dinars per $100. Additionally, exchange offices in Baghdad saw the selling price rise to 165,250 dinars per dollar, with a buying price of 163,250 dinars for $100. In Erbil, the selling price increased to 164,150 dinars per dollar, and the buying price was 164,050 dinars for $100. These specific numbers provide a clear picture of the extent of the increase. To understand the implications of this increase in the US dollar's value, we need to consider several factors that influence currency exchange rates. Exchange rates are primarily determined by the foreign exchange market, where currencies are bought and sold. Demand and supply in this market are driven by a range of economic, political, and global factors. One key factor affecting the exchange rate in Iraq is the country's economic stability. Iraq has faced numerous economic challenges in recent years, including political instability, security concerns, and a reliance on oil exports as a major source of revenue. These factors can contribute to fluctuations in the exchange rate. If investors and traders perceive that Iraq's economic and political situation is unstable, they may be less willing to hold Iraqi dinars, leading to an increase in the demand for US dollars and, consequently, an increase in its price. Another significant factor is the global oil market. Iraq is a major oil producer, and the price of oil plays a crucial role in its economic stability. When oil prices are high, Iraq's revenues increase, which can support its currency. Conversely, a drop in oil prices can put pressure on the Iraqi dinar, leading to a depreciation against the US dollar. Therefore, changes in global oil prices can directly impact the exchange rate, which may explain the increase in the dollar's price on the day in question. Political developments can also influence currency exchange rates. Iraq's political landscape has been marked by instability and divisions, which can erode investor confidence and lead to fluctuations in the exchange rate. Additionally, global events, such as trade disputes, economic crises, and geopolitical tensions, can impact the value of the US dollar. Investors often turn to the US dollar as a safe haven currency in times of uncertainty, causing its value to rise. So, events beyond Iraq's borders can have a direct bearing on the exchange rate in the country. The mentioned increase in the exchange rate of the US dollar may have several consequences for Iraq's economy. One immediate effect is the impact on the cost of imports. As the local currency loses value against the US dollar, it becomes more expensive to buy goods and services from countries that use the dollar as their primary currency. This can lead to higher prices for imported products and potentially contribute to inflationary pressures within the country. Furthermore, a higher exchange rate can affect foreign investment in Iraq. Foreign investors may be less inclined to invest in a country where the local currency is depreciating, as it can erode the returns on their investments. This, in turn, can slow down economic growth and hinder the development of various sectors in Iraq, including infrastructure and job creation. A stronger US dollar can also affect the country's balance of payments. If the dollar becomes more expensive, it may lead to a trade deficit, as Iraq's exports become less competitive in international markets. This can have a negative impact on the country's external accounts and foreign exchange reserves. Moreover, the exchange rate fluctuation could impact the domestic banking system. Iraqi banks may face challenges in managing their foreign currency holdings and meeting the demands of customers who need US dollars for international transactions. This can lead to liquidity issues within the banking sector and potentially affect the overall stability of the financial system. In addition to these economic consequences, there may be social and political ramifications of a rising US dollar. A weak local currency can lead to increased costs of living, which can strain household budgets and lead to dissatisfaction among the population. This, in turn, could have political implications, potentially fueling protests and social unrest. To mitigate the effects of a depreciating local currency and a rising US dollar, the government and central bank may implement various measures. They could intervene in the foreign exchange market by selling foreign currency reserves to stabilize the exchange rate. The central bank might also consider adjusting interest rates to attract foreign capital and stabilize the currency. Additionally, implementing fiscal policies to boost economic stability and reduce reliance on oil exports can be a long-term strategy to address currency fluctuations. In conclusion, the increase in the price of the US dollar in the markets of Baghdad and Erbil has a range of economic, social, and political implications for Iraq. Understanding the factors that drive these fluctuations is crucial in managing their impact. In the short term, measures such as central bank interventions and interest rate adjustments may be employed to stabilize the exchange rate. However, in the long term, addressing the root causes of economic instability and diversifying the economy away from oil dependence is essential to build a more resilient financial system. Currency fluctuations are a complex phenomenon influenced by a multitude of factors, and their consequences highlight the interconnectedness of the global economy. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.